Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about beautiful hand embroidery designs. Hand embroidery is a lovely art that adds beautiful and stylish cloth, home items and accessories. It is simple, relaxing and very creative. Anyone can learn it with a little practice. First, let's talk about what hand embroidery is. Hand embroidery means decorating fabric using a needle and colorful threads. You can create flowers, leaves, patterns, names, and many other designs. It is all done by hand, which makes every piece special and unique. One of the most popular embroidery designs is floral design. Flowers are always beautiful and never goes out of fashion. You can stitch roses, sunflowers, small buds, and green leaves. Floral embroidery looks amazing on dresses, shirts, dupattas, pillow covers, and even handbags. Now let's talk about basic stitches. If you are a beginner, you can start with very simple stitches. The running stitch is one of the easiest. It is perfect for outline and simple patterns. The back stitch is also easy to strong. It is great for writing names or making neat outline. Another beautiful stitch is the satin stitch. This stitch is used to fill shapes like petals and leaves. It gives a smooth and shiny look. The chain stitch is also very popular. It creates a lovely chain-like patterns and looks very decorative. For more texture, you can try the French knot. This stitch makes small raised dots. It is perfect for flower centers or tiny details. Even a small French knot can make your design look more delicate and attractive. Hand embroidery designs can be simple or heavy. If you like light designs, you can make small flowers on the corner of a shirt or scarf. If you perfect hand embroidery ideas, you can fill the whole neckline or sleeves with detailed patterns. Color choice is very important in embroidery. Bright colors look bold and eye-catching. Soft pastel colors look elegant and calm. Always choose colors that match your fabric. Good color combination makes the design look professional. You can use embroidery on many things. Decorate your kurti, neckline, jeans, pockets, baby dresses, cushion covers, tablecloths, or even wall art. Handmade embroidery adds a personal touch to everything. The best thing about hand embroidery is that it is relaxing. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.